at the Eaton Family Thunderdrome. It's time for the much anticipated Majorette Hypercars 2. Race 1, Lane 1, we got a Bentley Continental. Lane 2 and race favourite, it's the Dodge Viper. Up the middle, Lane 3 from Nissan, we got the Nismo GT3. In Lane 4, we got the Kia Stinger GT. And Lane 5, Chevy Corvette. Well, these are a great looking set of cars. Viper may be the favourite, but I'm thinking that Kia Stinger is going to give him a good run for his money. Hello, Tobias.
Hello.
Who do you like for winning?
Kia Stinger yellow.
Okay. Let's see who that first car in the championship race will be. Stinger and Corvette nose to nose on the inside. Viper screaming past the Bentley, has the lead. And that's how we'll finish 1-2. Viper beating Bentley. Viper wins. He's into the championship race. The challenge came from an unexpected source, the Bentley. Definitely thought it was going to be the Kia. We go to race 2, Lane 1. He'd have to be race favourite. It's the Toyota GT86. He's had plenty of races and won plenty. He is quick. Lane 2, we got a Mercedes-Benz AMG. Up the middle, a bit of forward power. It's the Mustang GT. Bugatti Chiron in 4. And a Lamborghini Huracan in 5. Finally, we got a bull in the race. Who's going to win, Toby?
This car.
Okay, he's going for the bull. Can the bull beat the GT86? Let's see. Good race. Huracan is on the inside. The Mustang's really stuck in mud. But look at the GT86 screaming along on the outside. He takes a great win. Was it ever in doubt? Two wins, two veterans into the championship race. The GT86 looked very, very quick. We go on to race 3, Lane 1. We got the Toyota Supra. Lane 2, we got the Best of British Champion, the Jaguar F-Type. Up the middle, we got a Ford Mustang GT, Police Special from Saudi Arabia. Lane 4, we have another bull. We got two bulls, lanes 4 and 5. Huracan 4, Aventador 5. Don't they look fine? Beautiful set of cars again. Favorite would have to be the Jaguar. Who do you think's going to win, Toby?
I'm going for Lane 2.
Lane 2. Alright, let's see. Jaguar leads onto the flat. Huracan's chasing up in 4. Mustang's trying to come up the middle, but it's the Jaguar holding on for a good win. The cream has risen to the top. Jaguar is the Best of British Champion. He joins the GT86, who is a knockout champion, and the Viper, who is a former exotics champion. All good pedigree. But who's going to win race 4? Who we got? We got the Audi S5 in 1. Oh, he'd be my favourite. Lane 2, we got the Ford Mustang GT. Lane 3, Porsche 911 GT3. Aston Martin Vantage in 4. But the true favorite of this race is the two-time and defending hypercar champion. It's the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Yes, can the Audi beat the Demon? I don't think the other three will go close, but let's see. He's off in 5, the Demon leads on the inside. Audi's past the Mustang on the outside, he's got the lead now. Coming in second, the champion has been defeated and upset by the Audi S5. While not a champion, he does have a fine race pedigree, bringing up his 8th race win. The Audi S5 has upset and knocked out the defending champion. He's going to be close to being the favorite now for doing that. It's going to be a great race. All the veterans. Alright, race 5. Lane 1, we got a Porsche 718 Boxster, 718. Lane 2, we got a Ford Mustang GT. Up the middle, former 4-time Premium Showdown champion and favorite for this race is the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Next to him, we got a Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Oh, they look almost the same. And rounding it off in lane 5, we got the Jaguar F-Type. Wow, this is great. Let's see who gets that last spot in the championship race. Hey Toby, you're back. Finished playing basketball?
Yes.
Who do you think's going to win?
I'm going for lane 2.
Lane 2. Alright. So that happens to be Toby's car. Tight race, Jaguar edges ahead on the inside. Here comes the challengers up the middle. Head to head to head. Oh, what a close finish for all. But it's the Hellcat up the middle, stealing victory. What a great meet. There's been some great racing today. Majorette, they look good and they run good. Cream has risen to the top, and the creamiest of all is the Hellcat. What a win. He is the new favorite for this race. He has the best record. He has won heaps of championships, 4 in Premium Showdown. He's got 17 race wins all up. He eclipses all. Wow. So in lane 1, Dodge Viper, he's faced the Hellcat on many occasions and lost. Same can be said of all these cars except the Jaguar. This will be his first meeting against him. GT86 in 2, F-Type Jaguar in 3, the Audi S5 in 4. Out of all these cars, the closest I'm thinking who will get to the Hellcat is the Audi. But let's find out for sure who's going to be the second hypercar champion. Good drop to the Hellcat. He screams on the lead on the inside. Viper and Audi coming back at him. Viper's got the lead. Whoa, what a great finish. The Viper has upset the Hellcat.